Hi, I'm Kirly-Sue and today we are doing some juicing. You've been asking me to do some juicing recipes for you, so today I've got 3 for you, so let's do that juicing. So for the first juice I'm going to do carrots, apple and ginger. Probably going to need more apple than that, so I'm going to add a couple more. I'm using these Pink Lady apples today for that. So that's the first juice I'm going to do. For the second juice I'm going to do cucumber and apple. So I'm going to use green apple for this. So just cucumber and apple, and that's for the second juice. For the third juice today I'm going to use pear. I've got 2 different kinds of pear here. Apple, a couple of different kinds of apple as well, and ginger as well. So those are the 3 different types of juices I'm going to be doing today. So to make the juice I have this juicer, which you load the fruit in the top here, and then the pulp goes here, and then the juice comes out into a jug, which I have here. So first of all I'm going to do the carrot, apple and ginger. So the carrots can just go in exactly as they are, that's perfectly fine. For the apple I've cut them in half, and for the ginger I've chopped it into bits so it's easier for it to juice. So I'm going to give the juicer a bit of a helping hand so it doesn't have to work too hard. Okay, let's go. So my juicer decided to take a break, i.e. it stopped working. So I've done the carrot, apple and ginger, and I've done the apple, pear and ginger. So I haven't done the cucumber and apple as yet. I'll have to do that at some other point when the juicer decides to stop taking a tea break. So now I'm going to try all of them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.